Tiny Janet again. Now, I'm here live reporting from inside of me garage. And as you can see, I've got a new car. Because some of you will know that my last car got stolen. Yes, when I was in California, outside of Norman Bates's house. I was going to give this girl a lift home. Well, not home, to another motel actually. But unfortunately, she bloody stole me car because the keys were still in. So I've had to splash out on buying a new one, and this is it here. It's a VW Beetle, otherwise known as a Volkswagen. They're very nice cars, as you can see, and it's in a lovely shade of pink. Do you like it? I think it looks spiffing myself, like. I'm well impressed with it. And I was giving it a test drive this afternoon, and it runs like really smoothly, you know. I'm really chuffed with it. Now, in a minute, I'm going to get in the car and start it up and let you hear how good the engine sounds and everything, and then I'm going to take it out for a drive. But first, I've got a trivia question for all my fans out there. Now, some of you may know Disney once made a film. Well, they made a few actually. One was called Herbie Goes Bananas, Herbie Goes to Monte Carlo, and I forget the other ones offhand. But anyway, the question is, what number was stamped on the VW Beetle in the Herbie movies? Can you tell us? If you know the answer, please type it in a comment just below this video here. And I'll be very impressed if you get it right. Okay? Right, now I'm going to get in the car and start it up. Right, I'm now in the car. Now, as you can see, the car has a really nice interior, doesn't it? It's got a radio, it's got a CD player, and it's even got a rose on the dashboard, just for that nice finishing touch. I'm going to have to buy some new CDs to play in the car when I'm out driving and stuff, because I like to have my music on, you know. Helps us relax and concentrate when I'm on the road, you know. So, oh, and of course it's got all the other stuff. It's got a nice leather seats and stuff, and a black dashboard, and nice little speedometers and what have you. Right, let's get this thing started. So, Alan, can you please shut the door for us?
Okay, Janet.
Alan, it's not shut properly. Can you push it a bit harder?
Okay then, hang on.
Right then, now it's time to get this car started. Right, where's my keys? Right, let's stick them in the ignition and off we go. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, crap. Come on, you bugger, come on. Start, god damn it. Come on. Start. Please start. You're showing us up to me YouTube viewers' car, you stupid little... Oh, god damn it. Come on. Start. Oh, this is so embarrassing. This afternoon it started like a breeze. I just stuck the keys in the ignition and it was just up and running. Oh, this is terrible. I'll try it again. Come on. Start. Jesus Christ, man. This is so annoying. Oh, man. Come on. I'm gonna keep trying anyway. Come on. Jesus. Jesus Christ! Holy shit, man! Come on, car, you stupid piece of crap! Come on! Oh, Alan, it won't bloody start.
Yeah, Janet, I noticed. Just keep trying, just keep persevering. I'm sure it'll start eventually. As long as you keep positive now.
Yeah, that's right, Alan. Keep positive. Come on, you son of a bitch! Come on! Start! Oh, bugger! This is hopeless. It's not going to start, Alan.
It certainly doesn't look like it, does it, Janet?
No, it doesn't. Oh, I'm really pissed off now. My brand new car and it won't bloody start. Bloody typical. I don't know. God. Now this is what I think of you, Mr. VW Beetle. Take that. And another one. And another. And another. You're a very, very bad car. Now I'm kicking the crap out of you. You deserve it. You won't bloody start. Well, at least the tyres are still hard anyway. That's a good thing. Well, at least I've discovered one thing. The radio works. Listen. Well, it did earlier. Hang on, I'll find the right button. There you go. Well, there you go. That was just a quick demonstration that the radio actually works. So at least something works on this bloody car at the minute. Because I'm buggered if I can get it started. I don't know. Tell you what. I don't know. Really makes me angry, I tell you. Bloody Volkswagen Beetle. I'll have to take it into the mechanics, into the workshop. A garage, proper garage, to try and get it fixed. Because I'm due to go on a little journey soon. Got to do some more reporting and stuff, you know. So I need a car that actually works, you know. I don't know. So I must apologise to all me viewers, me regular viewers. But unfortunately, as you could see, I couldn't get the bloody car started. So sorry about that. I was hoping to take it out for a little drive, a little test drive again. But unfortunately I can't. So I'll have to get this thing into the shop and get it fixed, hopefully. So next time I can show you us taking it out for a little drive. But anyway, this has been Mini Janet, reporting live from me garage, trying to get me VW Beetle started. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Until then, ta-ra! Bye!